Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our best ice crushers. Nothing beats a cold drink on a hot day. If you want to make your own margaritas, mint juleps, Moscow mules, fruit slushies, and frozen punches without leaving your house, then an ice crusher is an absolute must-have. In this video, we'll go through the 5 best options out there right now. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th ice crusher in our list is the Nostalgia Retro Tabletop Snow Cone Maker, which trustedshopguy.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. First off, this model prioritizes convenience, as it fits well on a kitchen countertop or a small side table, so you can serve snow cones anywhere. To protect your hands, the shaving mechanism has a safety switch that you can toggle at any time. When it comes to serving, you can use the side shelf made of stainless steel cutting blades for snow cones as a preparation area to keep 2 snow cones and add to your preferred syrups. The 360-degree view makes it easy to shave ice and observe from any angle because the chamber is clear from all sides. There's also the precision-cut stainless steel blades that quickly and effectively turn ice cubes into tasty, fluffy snow-like ice. In the 2 8-ounce recyclable plastic snow cones and an ice scoop are included in the package for easy serving. However, it doesn't have a small plug in the bottom that could quickly drain the water, so you have to tilt the whole thing when cleaning up. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for party hosts who like serving colorful and festive food at events and gatherings. Its aesthetic is guaranteed to spark interesting discussions. The 4th ice crusher in our list is the VIVOHOME Electric Ice Crusher, which trustedshopguy.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. We just know that this one is built to last with its sturdy aluminum rotary blades and high-quality ABS construction that you can use in your kitchen or office. It's perfect for creating yogurt freezes, milkshakes, snow cones, and other delectable frozen drinks. If you open the lid while the ice shaver is going, it'll automatically turn off, and the large base will help to reduce vibration and noise while working. VIVOHOME even incorporated a safety protection system on the lid, so the ice shaver will only operate when the lid is firmly closed. Featuring a blade adjusting knob, it's easy to alter the texture of the ice to make a variety of frozen treats, and while the machine is running, the ice size can be adjusted from thick to thin. We'd also like to highlight that this device can break 260 pounds of ice in only a few minutes thanks to its 250-watt, high-speed, powerful motor and huge ice drawer. Now, before you make your purchase, you might want to know that some customers find that water tends to collect at the bottom of the shaft and ice piles up under the plunger. But don't worry, because this is easy to fix by adding pads to the front feet. The Trusted Shop Guy team recommends this for picnic hosts who need to serve big batches of drinks in a short time so you can enjoy more chat time. The 3rd ice crusher in our list is the Dash Shaved Ice Maker and Slushy Machine, which trustedshopguy.com is awarded a 5-batch rating. With the Dash Shaved Ice Maker, you can make frozen slushies, snow cones, cocktails, and more in your own kitchen. The Shaved Ice Maker performs all the work for you. All you have to do is add ice cubes and plug them in. It's made from stainless steel, which is specifically important for the blades as it allows for efficient and continuous cutting while preventing rusting. And since it's smaller than an ice cream scoop, you can use a measuring cup in its place. There's also the fact that it incorporates anti-slip feet to keep the ice crusher steady as you mix your drinks. But the best part, according to our reviewers, is that you get a recipe book with directions for making unique and tasty cocktail and slushy mixes right out of the box. Keep in mind, though, that because there's just one ice crushing option, the final product has more of a slushy texture. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for people who are just getting started with ice crushing and blending drinks and are not looking for a very specific texture, yet considering that this has a very specific final consistency. The 2nd ice crusher in our list is the VEVOR Ice Shaver Crusher, which trustedshopguy.com is awarded a 5-batch rating. With a strong 350-watt copper motor and a razor-sharp blade made of 420 stainless steel that rotates at 320 revolutions per minute, this machine can crush as much as 1,102 pounds every hour. What's more, each ice crusher machine comes with a spare blade for a simple replacement. Compared to the previous models in this line, our contender has an extra 17.6-pound ice storage hopper, which optimizes the ice supply while reducing the number of refills. You can also change the fineness of the ice by turning a blade adjustment knob from delicate to coarse, so just add in those fruits and leafy greens. Design-wise, this fully automatic electric commercial shaved ice maker is constructed of ABS plastic and stainless steel. while its surface is designed with a leather pattern for a classy appearance that'll last long on your shelf. It even has a top cover made of PC material, which is efficient against dust. Basically, when you get this product, there's not much left to do. Just add ice cubes to make snow cones, milkshakes, slushies, and other frozen drinks, and you're good to go. But we do want to let you know that if you're used to hand crushers, it might be hard to get started with this one. Although it's definitely worth making the switch because it can make so much more ice in one go. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to anyone who likes different thicknesses when making frozen and creamy drinks, as this one is able to create different consistency per batch. The best ice crusher in our list is the VIVOHOME Snow Cone Maker, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Sporting a powerful motor and sharp blade, this unit produces soft, fluffy, and powdery snow ice, while the crusher body and elbow provide the machine with superior aesthetics. Despite its hefty profile, it makes sure to create more room for containers like goblets, cups, bowls, and so on, so it can quickly serve shaved ice at 143 pounds per hour. You even get an ice pick that'll make it almost effortless for you to break up ice, and the wooden cover is easy to stow when you're not using the device anymore. Vibration and noise are limited to provide a calm environment and a comfortable experience. Best of all, a food-grade stainless steel bowl is provided for catching shaved ice, and the hopper and blade are made of corrosion-free, food-grade stainless steel. To guarantee your safety, the blades will stop revolving and the power will turn off automatically when the hopper handle is open to protect you from harm, while the roller on the outlet is useful to prevent ice from splashing, offering you a pleasurable ice-making experience. Now, some customers find it a bit tricky to control at first though, so just remember to press the red button and move the lever to push the ice against the razor to get started, and pull the red switch while easing back slightly on the lever to prevent mess. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for business-minded foodies who would like to start their mojito and margarita stall, since it can create large batches with different mixes. And there you have it, folks, our best ice crushers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next Ice Crusher Roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.